prank Hugs the Clown Part 1. So basically, it's missing the mouth mechanism. It's all slit open. So I put, first of all, some foam. You can see in there. See, there's some foam. Then I took this off of my bad tooth scoops, the mechanism. Then I'm going to simply transplant, and then we will be finished. So it's update 1, I guess. I'll make more updates as we go along. So yeah, see you then. I doubt you're even awake, but I stayed up too late fixing this. I had to cut open the back. I tried to sew it because like I would need special latex glue, and I didn't really feel like going out to get some, so I replaced the mechanism in the mouth. Part 3 of fixing Hugs. So I went into my garage and got him. He is missing his sign, but Spirit does sell like replacements. They aren't the exact same sign. So you can see the back still sewn but it does work, and this is the second to last part before it's completely finished.
Hey there, friend. Welcome to the fun house. Come a little closer. We've got fun, games, and I'll catch you next time.
Mine also like lunges out pretty far. It's weird.
Step right up here. You'll do nice, very tasty, healthy. Wow, you're a bastard. You there! Do you want to play a game? If I catch you, then I get to eat you. Gotcha! Oh, I missed. Ah, well, I'll just have to catch the next one then.